We are here today to show you the MK62 Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. With the MK62, you can expect super fast and reliable whole home Wi-Fi for a medium-sized home up to 3,000 square feet. Experience whole home coverage with next-generation 4-stream Wi-Fi 6 speeds designed to handle 4 times the connection capacity on your network. The front of the box gives you a quick look at what you're getting inside. Advanced whole home Wi-Fi, AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 technology, Wi-Fi coverage up to 3,000 square feet that is 1.5 times faster than AC Wi-Fi. The sides and back of the box explain some of the benefits of your Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. Easy setup with the Nighthawk mobile app. More performance and more capacity. Whole home expandable coverage in a compact design. Let's get started. Open the cover of the outer box and then proceed to open the lid of the inner package. You'll first see a QuickStart guide to help get your Wi-Fi system installation started. The back of the QuickStart guide includes a reference for the contents in the box and a visual overview of the features on your products. Please note, if you have the MK62 2-pack system, you will get 2 units similar to what you're seeing in this video. If you have the MK63 3-pack system that includes an additional satellite, then you will get 3 units. Carefully remove both of the units from their plastic covers and set them aside. To quickly tell the difference apart from your router and the satellite, you can first check if your device has a QR code sticker on the front of the unit. Only your MR60 router will have a QR code that is used for installation. Another way to quickly identify the difference is to look at the ports on the back of the product. Your router will have an additional highlighted Ethernet port labeled Internet, while a satellite will only have a single Ethernet port. Once you've identified which unit is your MR60, proceed by removing the box for your system and take out the final container holding your power adapters and Ethernet cable. To install your MK62, simply download the Nighthawk app on an iOS or Android mobile device and follow the step-by-step process to start your MK62 installation. Check the video in the description below for how to install your MK62 Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, or learn more about your MK62 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system at netgear.com/support/product/mk62.aspx. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.